Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products, the tolling big packs here. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entirely about like a 35 inches height. And the board width will be 92 inches. And the unit's overall length front to the behinds about like a 236 inches. Let's take a look at the hinge, what the measurements on it. Entirely about like a 50 inches. They have a big triangle hinge at the front. And the holdings right here. You can roll it up, anti-clock to lose it, or clock size to make it high. And also this part we're having 4 parts over there. And we have a stairs coming with the units. The wheels we have in total 2 big axles. The wheel informations will be the 225, 75, and R15. And this is all information for these products. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.